Hi everyone, I'm Alex with the Indoor Golf Shop, and today we're going to be looking at the new BenQ AK700ST 4K Golf Simulator Projector. We will be looking at some of the features, specifications, and setup for this new projector. Let's get into it. Starting off with the features. BenQ has been creating new features for their projectors that are specifically designed for golf simulators. The AK700ST is a short throw projector, which ensures a shadow-free projection when you're on your golf mat swinging into your screen. The AK700ST also features automatic screen fitting and image focusing. The AutoFit feature scans your impact screen and automatically fits each corner so you don't have to spend time adjusting your screen. Simply click the Quick Focus button on your remote and the AK700ST will make slight adjustments and deliver a clearer projected image on your impact screen. One of the biggest features of the new AK700ST is that it is a 4K golf simulator projector with 4K resolution for a crystal clear golf simulation experience. Specifications. Price point. The AK700ST starts off at $2,499. Throw ratio is 0.69 to 0.83. Aspect ratio, it supports 4:3, 16:9, and 16:10. Light source, it's laser, and the contrast ratio is 3,000,000 to 1. Setting up your AK700ST is super simple. Find your distance to the screen using our projector calculator, courtesy of Projector Central. Select the AK700ST projector and input your screen size specifications. Because the AK700ST has a zoom function, we can play around with the mounting distance. So if you have not too much room between the screen and the projector, you can fix that. Now that we've found our spot using the calculator, we're gonna move away from that and actually go to your room and the setup that you're gonna be putting the projector in. We need to look at, where your golf mat is set up. How does your swing path look? Ask yourself, will I hit the projector with my longest club in the bag? If you pull your driver, you want to make sure you have just enough room for your backswing to make sure it's not going to touch the projector. Once you found that sweet spot, make sure you have proper tools, materials, and a good anchor point on your ceiling for when you're mounting it. Included with our Qual Gear universal projector mounts, you'll be able to mount the projector mount attachment to your projector and then connect that to what's mounted on the ceiling. You're going to want to hang the attachment piece, tighten everything up, and then what we're going to do is use that auto feature we mentioned before to fit the screen the way we want it. We're going to use that, and then we're good to go. We can start playing golf. Thanks for watching, everybody. We just went over the BenQ AK700ST. For more information and availability, check out our site, shopindoorgolf.com. See you next time.